Dear viewers, have you ever experienced the stress of that moment when you mistakenly delete your files and data which was very important for you and now you are worried about the recovery of the files and data? Well, don't worry. In this video, we are going to share simple trick with you for the recovery of the deleted file in your computer. So, let's get started. So now here we want to suggest you that if any file in your computer has been deleted by you mistakenly or by another cause, but it was important for you and you want to recover it, then don't turn off your computer or restart it and stop any kind of process on your computer like downloading any file, copy and pasting and other ones. So let us start with an example that what we have to do for the recovery of that file. So let's begin with an example. Simply we are going to our disk and suppose that we have this document file and we have deleted it permanently by pressing shift plus delete key on our keyboard, and this dialog box is saying, as you can see, are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? Means we have given the command to the computer to delete this file permanently. So we are clicking on yes here, and now our file has been deleted permanently. So let's check in the recycle bin whether it is available or not. No, it is not available here. So for the recovery of this file, what we have to do, simply we have to download a data recovery software. So go to your favorite web browser. So here we have opened our browser and search for a website ccleaner.com. We will drop the link of the website in description section so you can reach very easily here. Now go to download section, and from here you will have to download a software whose name is Rikuva. So click here, download Rikuva option, and here you will see that this software is available in two versions. The first one is free and the second is the professional version, and it will cost $19.95 if you will purchase it. So as we can see from the feature that we only want to recover our files and we don't want to access any other feature of this software, so we are downloading here the free version. If you want the other features of the software like virtual drive support, automatic updates and premium support of the software, so you can download it. Just because we only want to recover our files, so we are downloading the free version of the software. So click on this download button to download this software. Now here you can see the downloading has been initiated, so let's wait to download the software. Now the software is been downloaded easily. Now after downloading the software, our next step will be the installing and the recovery of that file which was deleted by us. So we have moved our software at the desktop screen after the downloading. So to install this software, just double click on it and then click on yes, and in just few seconds your software will be ready to use. Now it is installed on our device, and a dialog box is appeared here and a button is here. It says run Rikuva. So click here to launch the software and click on next button, and here you will have to select the type of file which was deleted by you. If you know, then click that specific type of file. If you don't know, then leave this button to all file. So as we know that the file which was deleted by us was a document file, so here we are giving the type of file was document. Then click on next, and from here you will have to select the path of the file where it was stored. If you know, then give the specific path of the file in here. If you don't know, then click on I am not sure. So we know that it was stored in G drive of our computer. So here we are giving G, and then click on next. Then click on start. It says thank you, Rikuva is now ready to search for your files. Then click on start here, and it will start reading your file, and here you can see that this is the file which was deleted by us, and here it is represented here. If we maximize the window, then it will show up the more details. The size of the file was 66 KB, and in the comment section it is saying no overridden cluster detected. Initially we have suggested you don't copy and paste any kind of file after it comes to your knowledge that you have mistakenly deleted any file, just because when we delete any file in our computer, then our operating system which is installed in our computer just removes the accessing address of the file. However, the file is still represented at the same place unless it is overridden by any other file. That's why we are stopping you to run any kind of process on your computer. So simply click on this checkbox and then click on this recover icon. Before that, here we will like to suggest you that recover your file in any other path of your disk. That will be very smooth recovery of your file. If you select the same path, it will be somewhat hard for this recovery software to recover your file more accurately. Okay, now click on recover, and here we are giving the another path to this file which is desktop, and click on OK. Now it shows that our file has been recovered successfully. Here you can read total recovered one file. Now click on OK, get out from this window, and here you will see that it is recovered successfully with the help of Rikuva software. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. If this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to share it with your best friends and other ones so that it will be helpful for them also. And don't forget to follow us on our social media. We will drop all the links of our social media handles in description section.